Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for April 1st, 2019. Today we're looking at the USDJPY, the US dollar, versus the Japanese yen for today's trade analysis. Starting here on the daily time frame, we could see the currency pair for quite some time, going all the way back into December, has been an uptrend. Look at the blue trend line. Clear rising trend pattern. You can even see these periods of ranging or congestion within the black boxes, and then of course it would break out, make a new high, find support, break out, make a new high, and all the way up through the trend. In recent weeks, though, we've seen a couple of different things happen. Instead of continuing that uptrend pattern, we see the market breaking under a black box, under the blue trend line, and pressuring it down and making a new low. So with that, we have the potential for a trend change, which was an uptrend turning into a potential downtrend. Now it doesn't have to continue to go down, but that's definitely something that it bears noting, is that it broke through the blue trend line, the 100 period moving average, started moving lower. Right now, today, we seem to be coming right back up underneath that 100 period simple moving average. Here you go, that green line coming down through the chart. There we are, sitting just underneath it, and the 111.0 level. That's the yellow shaded area up here towards the top of the chart. So interesting is we have a resistance zone, the yellow shaded area 110.95, 111.05. We have the 100 period moving average sitting all in the same place where the current market price is holding as resistance. When I talk about these colored shaded areas, I'm looking at historical areas of resistance and support. And I'll just kind of draw a big black circle out here and put it right there. So you see where I just drew that circle on the left, resistance into that yellow zone. We can even see, if I draw a different circle, let's make this one a blue color just to make it different and highlight it differently. Let's take this blue circle and put it right here. So we can even see right here where the blue circle is support into that same yellow shaded area. Let's zoom it in one more time. There you go. That's easier to see, isn't it? That blue circle showing support into that yellow shaded area right here. The black circle showing resistance. And here we are again today. So we know with some confidence, with the 100 period moving average there, the double zero price level, 111, historical resistance and support highlighted by the two circles, shows us that there's really a higher confidence that there's a significant trading decision to be happening here at this yellow zone. One is a good bounce off of it and go back down, reversing the trend back to a downtrend, which, I mean, taking this rising move and turning it back down to a falling move. The other side of that is that it continues to go higher, breaks through there, and continues the rising move towards the green zone or higher. So the yellow zone, very interesting for us today. Of course, breaking higher goes to the green zone, breaking lower goes back to the orange zone or lower. So that's really the basis of everything we're going to look at here on the dollar yen today. Let's do one other thing. Let's take Fibonacci, highest high to the current low. Highest high on the chart, current lowest low. We find the 618 sitting at 111.20, 50% just under the yellow zone. So we know that we're reaching into resistance as well based on Fibonacci. I could take that fib a little bit tighter and bring it down to that high right there. Well, that's even more interesting likely because the 618 sits at 111.06, top of the yellow zone. So very interesting there, just dropping it just a little bit to the last high, to the last low. We see it sitting right here, 111.06, top of the yellow zone. So again, it kind of solidifies this yellow zone as a major decision zone. Either breaks it, goes higher, or bounces off it and goes lower for the day. Interesting here is that we got Friday's close right around 110.82 on Friday, and here we are opening up today a good bit higher at 110.99. So a little bit of a weakened gap between the close and open of the market for the US yen. So if that's going to be something to watch, we could be looking for it to fill that gap and turn all the way back down to the orange shaded area. Decision zone, the yellow shaded area. 4-hour time frame. As we get down here, you can see the market hesitation. There's that gap here on the 4 hour as well. Probably you could consider that wick right there, a filling of the gap. But anyway, here we are. This is it. It's either going to turn around and go back down, or it's going to break through and go back higher. For me to consider this a breakout and for it to continue to go higher, personally, I'll be looking for a candle body to get above that yellow shaded area. Or, at least at this point, probably a candle body under the yellow zone before I would look for it to continue to go lower. Again, today for the US yen.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.